gang shit been dead, nigga. Gone. Over with, OV. Fuck a nigga. It's just a whole lot of gang shit where I'm from, nigga. Clown ass niggas. Fuck with that gang. I ain't wanna do it, but some shit had to be spoke on. I'm really with the shits. Hey, don't make me cut your throat on. No,